What's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. We all love that feeling of having some extra cash to spend, right? Whether you're saving up for an epic vacation or just want to treat yourself, finding ways to make some side income is always a good idea. Well, get this, you can actually get started. I'm talking about 5 easy side hustles that anyone can do. Stay tuned because we're about to break it all down. First up, let's talk about the world of digital products. Have you ever wished there was a specific template, guide, or design that would make your life easier? Well, chances are other people are looking for that same thing. You can create ebooks, design printable planners, or sell your digital art to the world. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Canva's Creator Hub make it easy to set up shop and start selling. Imagine waking up to find out you've made money while you were sleeping. That's the beauty of passive income. You only have to create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building your digital empire. Next up, we're diving into the world of freelancing. If you've got skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, then the internet is your oyster. There are people out there for talented individuals like you to help them out with their projects. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients looking for their specific skill sets. You get to be your own boss. Set your own hours, work from anywhere, and choose the projects you're most passionate about. Freelancing is all about freedom and flexibility, so ditch the 9-to-5 grind and start building a career on your own terms. We've all got stuff lying around the house that we never use, right? That camera you bought but never really got into, the bike that's collecting dust in the garage, those unused items could be making you money. Platforms like Fat Llama let you rent out your belongings to people in your area. It's like Airbnb, but for your stuff. Someone needs a camera for the weekend. Boom! You're in business. Just list your items, set your prices, and watch the requests roll in. And hey, you can even rent out your parking space with platforms like Spacer. So take a look around your house and see what treasures you can turn into cash. We all have opinions, right? What if I told you that you could get paid for sharing yours? Participating in paid surveys is a super easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay you for your valuable insights. Sign up for sites like Swagbucks, Taluna, or Survey Junkie, and start racking up those rewards. Just be careful and choose reputable platforms. Paid surveys can be a fun and rewarding way to boost your income. This side hustle is perfect for those who love a good bargain and don't mind putting in a little elbow grease. Browse Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or your local neighborhood app for free or cheap items that have the potential to be flipped for a profit. Clean them up, fix any minor issues, and then list them for sale at a higher price. It's like giving these items a second life and making some sweet cash in the process. Flipping is all about finding diamonds in the rough, so get out there, explore your options, and start turning trash into treasure. Time to hustle, and there you have it. 5 side hustles you can start this weekend. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.